effect of depth on acceleration due to gravity. You can see here. Let the surface here, say don't kind of light surface big eye one. Acceleration due to gravity had g dash no g one. Surface chẳng kan lý chung ba quan x distance ka zulu down tinane below the surface. I move down to the center of the earth. X distance below the surface, its surface. At that point, let the acceleration due to gravity be g dash. So for g dash, I have the whole mass of this small circle. For g, I have radius r. For small g, I have radius r minus x minus r. X minus r. This much. This much is x. So if I subtract x from r, I'll get this one. This is the new radius for g dash. So the problem is we have to find the mass of Earth when I travel down x distance from the surface. And suppose the total mass of Earth of radius r is r is capital M. So here I have the acceleration due to gravity at the surface of Earth is gm. Here I using m because I consider the whole body or the whole mass. So for point B or for g dash, let us first calculate the g value. Here if we look at this point, m equal to this one rho. Rho is density of the earth. Density rho density formula is total mass by total volume. Density measures how much the body is dense. So side, so V rho. So what is this indicate? 4 by 3 pi r cube is volume of sphere, as the earth is considered as spherical body. So we take volume of earth as 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here we have to remember this one. So mass equal to volume rho. Rho's density, yes, it's the same expression. Now we'll put this m value to this equation. So I have g here. Here I have g. So on, this stands for mass. This whole body stands for mass. G mass, then r square. So on, r square and r cube, they can cancel. So I only have r, and I get this one. This is g. In terms of density, not in terms of mass. Here is in terms of mass, and here is in terms of density. So on. Now let's move to, this is for at point A, that means for the surface, at the surface. So on. Kita sukses tayo lang. Ikan na lang pahin kasi G dash. The formula of this G dash at point B will be G dash equal to G is constant, capital M by distance square. Distance is radius or length of BO. BO is use this m. I have to use mass of this smaller sphere. So let me do that as m dash. Cái tại nằm để chết ta đi. Same. So on. Anh liệt tay là tay hiện. Đây from cái một thôi lo. So on. M khác hẳn xong liệt tông m dash. What would be the value of m dash? M dash to mass by volume thấu khăn nhỉ. He like the volume of smaller sphere of radius r minus x. Khăn đi. So raw density is same density. So I'm not right. So I can put the value of gm here, gm dash m dash here. G dash equal to g I have. So let me tuck here m dash kanya. M dash. So I'm distance square near r minus x square. Kaluni data. Hey tota. Kaluni data itana. Hey le. Hey cancel ita. R minus x pakat ba. Tikhan. Let me question kan n cop chuan. Hey g kanya. Hey g dash kanya. Tu ang ka divide le to. An pani ka kan divide chuan. G dash by g ti tiang. Lại divide ang chi hian. Hey g dash hi g dash ni ta. Chuan by g dash by value to divided by kilometer. So on can divide on the 4 by 3 pi 4 by 3 pi cancel g cancel rho cancel boka. So on can ita to r minus x by r. So on we can divide the one r by r minus x by r. We can limit so on here 1 cancel 1 here. So on minus x by r. Ya kali tani here g dash that's it. So on g is my pain g. We can limit tani. Final answer. They can tahian kan ni chetane like the so on in anilem have a special case then. What will be the value of g at the center? Like center here and g value here at the center means x and r are equal to x up to r distance. That means r and x are equal, and it's on r and x are equal. Tahan in r and x are equal. It's one in the center. It's for center. So g 1 can be r x into the r meter r 2 and cancel both r at the center. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. That means acceleration due to gravity at the center of the earth is 0, which implies that weight of body is also written as mg, but at the center of the earth g equals 0, so weight will be 0, and it's one. Okay, his center of earth chuk tayo go weight to 0 nito. Asan sa ko ba kami hiblo milo ina. Effect of depth of g2 acceleration due to gravity. Ano yan? So an makasay itong tawpan ito yung problem ho hi hello practice sinula nakina ato pa sa problem dang question taken piang kan solve itong tawan cái tiếng question thế để hi đầu tiên việc khác cha cho cái tiếng key point cái tiếng like key point thế tiếng hui lâu n searching thế cái tiếng cha gì the acceleration due to gravity is maximum at the surface of Earth surface of Earth maximum chen proof lock tiếng chứ cái ta han radius akat chụp thak zel khan a decrease zel ta radius decrease khan g po decrease ve zel ti riat achan chu center apan a 0 ti hil ta ni surface a 9.8 ania ani chuan as we go down g will also decrease and at center even at the center it is 0 so data effect of height I can end it la effect of height I can end chuan as we goes up as one goes up let us see what will be the effect of g dash at height h can it ahead and g dash and so which one is greater will see g dash g then entire up to height equal to radius and it's one up to height equal to radius it's one 2r by r ania cancel and it's one 2r by r cancel oneแล้วก็คำลายจังไอมาชวนลายจังเห็นเอ็นกระจกละแต่จังเห็นกระจกเทียม r นี่ชวน 1 minus h is equal to r and total r and r by r นี่ชวน cancel ละเทียน bracket ชมไหมคะ2อันนี้ค่ะ2 4 minus 2 that means 1 by 4 square ka 4 in ka minus ni van we match 1 by 4 again and it's one g dash equal to g by 4 dinan he g here match multiply dinga and it's one g dash at point b when 1 goes up to height h equals to r g will be less than 4 times so 9.8 ania 9.8 by 4 to 2.4 velani ka a decrease te and it's one maximum value of g is just at the surface of earth dekha kan siam theta ne dekha kamia chu du to ko ri tai la the key point yang hu te te ta kha cái tiền chart quantity point lo den ta la a travel real thing na list ta